Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Audi A6 45 Premium in black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 66,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D8013.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.